Hello everyone, welcome back to Math Jamboree. Today we're going to talk about circles and how to complete them into a perfect square. So let's dive into it. What is the center of the circle given that its equation is x squared plus y squared plus 10x minus 6y equals to 18? As always, we're going to write the equation of the circle down. X minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals to r squared, which we call the radius. So right now this looks a bit different, so let's write the x's apart and the y's apart. I want to make it as easy as possible for you because the easier the better. So x squared plus 10x and y squared minus 6y. Now let me show you a shortcut how to solve this. The x's and the y's, you're always gonna divide them by 2. In my case 5, and square them. And at the bottom I get -3 and square it. Now put a plus sign next to it, and 5 times 5 is 25 in my case, plus 25. And we actually added on this side 25. We basically did that right now. So you know the equation rule, whatever you do on one side you do it on the other side as well. So plus 25, and then -3 times -3 is 9, so plus 9 and plus 9 at the other side. So now we put an equal sign next to it, open up a parenthesis, and this is how to complete it to a perfect square. Watch closely, carefully, whatever. X plus 5 squared 5, because we divided by 2. This is before we squared it, right? 5 times 5 is 25, and x times x is x squared. Let's do it at the bottom so we can make sure that you understand. Y minus 3 squared. -3 times -3 is 9, and y times y is y squared. So right now we have to write it down to find out the center. Write every step you do down. By the way, it will make you confused at this topic. I know it's a bit complicated, but you will get this. You will get the hang of it as well. It's very easy after like 1 or 2 times. So parentheses x plus 5. We're gonna write this one down, by the way. Square plus because the equation of the circle, and then y minus 3 squared equal sign, and the other side of the equation, add the numbers you get. 25 plus 9 plus 18 in my case will give us 52. Now at the equation of the circle, these are the center, right? That's why we're gonna look over here at these numbers. So we have -h and a positive 5, which means positive and negative is negative, which will give us -5. And negative and negative k and -3 will be a positive, because negative and negative is positive. So we have a positive 3. So the center is -5 to 3 actually. This is the choice D. That's how you find out the center. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any comments or questions, just comment down below.